Hello my alien students, how are you all? So we're back to this electrical project. Just one summary for what we are doing. Okay, let's just close the schedule. We will first add our lighting devices, lighting fixtures. How do we add? You can see we'll be adding in this video. Okay, and how many to add? We can see the video which I have done previously, the schedule which I was talking about, which is this lighting requirements and analysis. See, this is the required level. Our average is 0. In the last video you can see how I did this. Okay. For the last part you can be more specific. So if I keep adding lighting fixtures, the flux, the average estimated illumination will increase. I showed you how I've created in this schedule in the previous video. Please do have a look at it, and yeah, this is our requirement. Anyway, the story goes as follows. So we are in lighting 1. We always add lightings in the ceiling. We don't add it in the ground. Okay. Anyway, and you will notice that maybe if you cannot see now, you can see that clearly. Yeah, the architect has placed kind of, let's say, stick figures. I think they are just lines here. Yeah, they're just lines, reference lines. So the story is as follows. Okay, he has given us the lighting. Okay, generally this information is mentioned in the legend, legend. Okay, what type of light has to be mentioned or to be placed. So let's keep adding the lighting fixtures, or we have to design it. How to design it is using this schedule. Okay, based on the requirement for an office, we required a 325 lux light. Your illumination should be 325. As of now, it is 0. How did I get this? Is really simple. Just click the space. You will be seeing this average estimated illumination. Okay. So actually, the schedule is giving information of what is of the drawing. Okay. So this is so far so good. Beautiful. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add lighting fixtures. That's the light. Click it. We're going to add the 300 by 1200 277 volt. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. It has to be, before you just directly jump to step number 1 to step number 6, have a look. We want to click place on face. Looks fine. Maybe using the wrong size. Okay. Yeah, sorry. It's 600 by 1200. It's a rectangle. You can see it from the. Just a second. This is a rectangle, isn't it? If you want, have a look. It's made it. Yep. 600. Beautiful. Where was I? Lighting fixtures. 600 by 1200, 277. Beautiful. We're going to place it on face. Looks good. Place it. 1, 2. We've placed 2 lighting fixtures based on the requirement, and we'll see here. We can keep placing we place the rest of them, and I will come to that. We see the space schedule automatically. I have not done something very good here. Okay, listen, I tell you one trick here. Okay, there's different methods to play this game. I generally prefer to do the align method. It's kind of easy. Don't lock it. And then what you can press is just press Ctrl. This is copy. Okay, that's what I did. No. This is good. Or select the object, click copy. From where? Base point to base point. To base point. Okay, multiple was not. I did a shortcut, which is not a very good method. Click copy, multiple. Everything looks good. Place copy, select the object from multiple. Place the lighting fixtures. place the one type of lighting fixture, we'll have to place the remaining ones. Okay. Right. Now what we'll do is, if we come and have a look, we will see that our lighting or our schedule has been updated, which is good. What we can do is go to formatting. We are looking for the average estimated lighting, just for visual appearance, conditional formatting. Talk about this. Should be, let's say, greater than 0. Just give me an example, okay? Just so you know, if you didn't see the last video, you will see this. Okay, so whichever I've added, it gives me a positive number, a green highlight, which is good. Okay, and same story here. The other one, if you want, you can add it. One, yeah, okay, all good. Yeah, beautiful. So we've added the lighting fixture, the recessed lighting fixture, which is 600 by 1200. I don't know why I used the 120 volt. I was planning to use the 277. Okay, not a good story, but anyway, listen, I show you a trick now. Now we've made a mistake. Okay, we've used 120 volt, which is, in some countries we don't have 120 volt. Anyway, so what we'll do is, I have a trick here. Okay, we're going to do something called as magic. You're going to select everything. Call your friend filter. Check none, lighting fixtures. So it's kind of 51 lighting fixtures. I can see 51. If you want to just have a count of it, I think it's a bit too much. 51 does not have to be 51. Okay, looks 51. Or, listen, right click, select, there is something, select all incident visible in view. Okay, there are 51. I'm surprised to see the number 51, to be honest. Looks too much. Anyway, we can do the counting if we want. 10, 20, 30. Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. I was just thinking 51, it looks too much. Anyway, why did we do that? Go here and change it to 277. Okay. So I hope this much is clear. We've added lighting fixture. Maybe in the next video, we'll add the smaller ones. Okay. And then after that, we will start adding the switches. Yeah, slowly we keep adding the switches. We'll give you explanation for that. And we complete this project, okay? So I hope everybody enjoyed this part of the video, this series of video. We added the lighting fixtures. You learned a lot of things in this video, actually. Yeah, you learned a lot of things. For example, filtering and... Okay, one more thing here which was coming in my head was, how do I change the color? Okay, this looks good. I'm happy with it. But I want all the lighting fixtures to be in blue, red, orange, something, not black. How to do it? Okay. Yeah, I would like somebody to tell me the answer in the comment section. John, I would do it this way. John, I would like do it this way. That would be fine. It would look good. Okay, but I'll teach you one way. But listen. Or do I do it in the next class? Okay, let me do it in the next class. This video you learned how to do it. The next class I teach you, or the next video I'll teach you how to add colors to this. Okay? Okay, everyone, take care. See you all in the next class. Yellow. Bye.